How to join a Discord server. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join a Discord server, either it's private or public. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. You can also use a Discord app. And once you open this site of discord.com, make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Now, if you would like to join a private server, then here is what you can do. You will see this plus icon on this left-hand side. Click onto it. And here click on Join a Server. Now, if somebody is inviting you to join their private server, then they also might have given you some link. Paste the link in here and click on to Join Server. And that is how you join a private server in your Discord. If you would like to join a public server, then you will see this explore icon just below the plus icon. Click onto it. Here, type in the community that you would like to join. Once you do so, you will see a lot of search results. Click on anyone that you would like to join. And this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.